In a couple minutes I'm going to show you how to replace idler air control valve, aka actuator, on your favorite first generation Honda CR-V. Let's get started. Idler air control valve is located on the top back side of the plenum intake manifold. As you can see, it's easy to get. On the bottom of the IEC we have the wiring. On my valve, connector is broken. On actuator side, let's disconnect the wiring, and idler air control valve getting input signal from the ECU on CR-V IAC, bypasses the throttle body and operates independently. As you can see, that was a temporary fix for broken connector. Alright, and in regular life you just push the tab in and pull the connector down. Yeah, let's remove the coolant lines. Guys, if you first time to the channel, please subscribe, click that notification bell, very appreciated that. Alright, both coolant lines are disconnected. 12mm socket or wrench. Let's remove two bolts. If you have any questions, comments, critiques, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Alright, bolts, they're removed, and we have our old idler air control valve removed as well. And let's compare new part to old one. There's a slightly different design, but it will work on this engine because it's made for it. Alright, let's wipe the mating surface on a manifold. Let's start our bolts by hand. Yeah, and idler air control valves, they don't usually fail very often. Let's tie the bolts. Always check the wiring first, and this is not troubleshooting video because yeah, connector was broken, just simply that. Let's reconnect everything. Coolant lines connected, electrical connector connected how it should. Let's fire it up. Vehicle is cold. We have a warming up idler speed, and it will keep warming up. Engine will get warm up and RPM will drop down to idle speed, like you can see. Thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. I have more interesting Honda CR-V videos on my channel. Check them out and take care. See you soon. Bye bye.